So what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Before we start, no, I'm not trying to sell you a course. I'm just here to explain what it is. So simply put, affiliate marketing is a type of marketing strategy where you promote another person or company's products and can earn commission on each sale made through your referral. If you were to do this, you'd be an affiliate of that company. For example, you'll probably have noticed in many YouTube videos that people promote products and encourage viewers to click the link in their bio to get their own. Sometimes these are sponsored posts and the person is paid a sum upfront to promote the product, but they can also be an affiliate of the brand with a custom referral link. So anytime someone purchases through their link, they make a commission on the sale. Let me show you how it works. Let's type in headphone review on YouTube. Here's a review by someone called Mark Ellis. If we click his video and scroll down to the description, we'll find a link to the headphones that he's reviewing in the video. If we look closer at this link, we'll see something like tag Mark Ellis, which tells us that this is his referral link. This is essentially a way for the company to know that any sale that comes through his specific link was from his referral, giving him a commission on that sale. And how does that work? So when someone clicks on the referral link to buy these headphones, a cookie is stored on their browser. So when they buy them, the company can track that the sale came from that referral link. These cookies are also useful if, let's say, a person clicks on the link to buy the headphones but gets distracted, closes the website, and continues with their day. Then maybe the day after they remember that they wanted the headphones, and instead of going back to find the YouTube video with the link, they go straight to the website and purchase it directly. Whilst the sale wasn't done directly on the referral link, since the cookie was there from the day before, the affiliate will still get the commission because the cookie in their browser will track that the buyer originally came from their referral link. It is important to remember that these cookies often have an expiration date. So it's unlikely that the same thing would happen if the person left the site and came back, say, 6 months later to buy it. But usually within 24 hours to 2 weeks, they're still valid. If you want more videos on affiliate marketing or other digital marketing topics, write them in the comments, and please make sure to like this video so more marketers can watch it and shortcut their way to being a better marketer just like you.